Hbar at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a short-term pullback after an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that has now made a high above the 0.3 USDT mark. And at the time of this recording, we continue to hold above a horizontal line of support above the 0.25324. And on today's update video, I will be giving you reasons why we can easily get to new all-time highs in this bull market, and above all give you the short-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made last year 2024 in November, you can see that we saw these aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that made a high above the 0.4 mark, completing the formation of these impulsive YouTube count 1. Then we started a corrective pullback in the formation of a second wave into the minimum target areas for that second wave, highlighted on the charts using that red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And you can see we are now seeing a reaction of this target area, giving us a bounce to the upside in what I now believe is the start of a very impulsive bounce in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of that second wave. And on so doing, the area that I am paying attention to as my next target area lies on the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.72 mark. And that means that in the next coming hours, we can continue pushing higher, break above significant swing highs, and continue pushing to new all-time highs above the 0.72 in the formation of that impulsive wave 3. Then we can expect a bit of a slight pullback in the formation of that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher to new highs in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. We also need to have in mind that in the formation of this wave 3, we also need to expect a 5-wave structure to play out within the formation of that third wave. And I believe that we have such a case scenario over here, where we can term these bounce from the lows we made on the 22nd of June as an impulsive bounce in the formation of that first wave. And since we are now getting a topping structure over here, if we lose support and continue seeing further pullbacks, then that will be the formation of that second wave. And once we find support in the formation of that wave 2, then we should expect another bounce in the formation of that wave 3, expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher to new all-time highs in the formation of that wave 5. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows we made down here in the formation of that first wave to the high of the wave 1, we can be able to get a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the 0.2137 and the 0.16389, which is the blue target area over there. So in case we lose support above the 0.25324, flipping it back into resistance, then you should watch out for a pullback into this support box, where we should find support and then start a reversal in the next coming days. So that is all that I am expecting here on the Hbar chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.